Welcome to The Stretch Space. We are a studio dedicated to helping people find more balance and freedom in their bodies and lives. We do this through the modalities of stretch therapy and breathwork. When clients first walk through our doors, they notice right away that this isn't a clinical or medical space. This is a space where people can downregulate and unwind from a stressful day, and it's also a space where we can get curious and work on our bodies together in community. We start a stretch therapy session by getting to know the client and their body through movement. We will look at movement patterns and will identify areas of tightness and other blockages we may see. We then take their body through a series of assisted stretches and movements synced with the breath, gently coaxing the body into more openness. The more you let go, the more release and expansion you will experience. Stretch therapy helps people reduce pain and tension, helps to improve posture and alignment, and helps in recovery from fitness and sports. Can be a deep and powerful experience, and it can also be very gentle and nurturing. This work is beneficial for humans of all kinds, from athletes looking for an edge on performance to office workers and older folks who want to remain mobile and active as they age. Ultimately, we want to empower and educate our clients so they can take charge of their own body and healing.